Hey, it's John, your auto recon coach, here with a story for you today. 15 years ago, little backstory, at the time I had several people that were going around to car dealerships painting bumpers on cars. And my guys were really good, doing top-notch repair, charging top-notch prices. They'd always complain because they never had enough work from the dealerships. The dealerships didn't quite want to give them everything that was approved, or would approve everything for them. And my competition slash friend told me one day, he's like, John, you got paint guys? And I was like, yeah. And he's like, and they're really good, right? And I was like, yeah, they're really good. And he's like, how many bumpers does your guys paint a day? And I said, I don't know, they can paint like 3 bumpers a day. And he says, and they're really good, charging top notch. And I said, yeah, they are. And he says, congratulations, here's your blue ribbon. While your guys painted 3 bumpers, I painted 25 today. What the moral of that story is he was giving the customer what they want. He actually told me once, he says, John, you want to know the key to success? Give the customer what they want. If a customer wants me to paint a bumper for $50, I'll paint a bumper for $50. It'll look like a $50 bumper. If a customer wants me to paint a bumper for $150, I'll paint a bumper for $150. It'll look like a $150 bumper. Why I bring that story up is there was a comment on one of our videos, and it was a seat repair. And was it the best repair? No, absolutely not. It's actually good. I'm glad he made that comment. I think his exact comment was, nice $2 repair with a laughy emoji. And yeah, the fact is, was it a phenomenal repair? Absolutely not. But I know who my avatar is. I know who my customer is. My customer specifically is the car dealerships that are looking for as good as possible, for as fast as possible, for as cheap as possible. That might not be your particular customer. That might not be the person that you're going after. But once you decide who your customer is, who your avatar is, double down, go after that one. Every single day I'm out here and I'm doing the best repairs I can for the cheapest amount of money that I can do it for. I'm trying to bring as much value to my customer as possible every single day. And I recommend that you do the same. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.